Guys, we're gonna do some breakfast jack copycats on the Blackstone E-Series Griddle coming up. What's up, guys? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, so what are we doing here today, guys? We're gonna make some breakfast jacks on the E-Series tabletop indoor griddle from Blackstone, okay? I gotta tell you guys, back in CJ's younger days, when CJ would hit up them happy hours, maybe have an adult beverage or two, on my way out, there was a Jack in the Box right there. And I would always stop because Jack in the Box does breakfast all day long. And I would get myself a couple breakfast jacks, a little soda for the road, and call it a day. All right, so I have very fond memories of my breakfast jacks, and I thought it would be a perfect thing to duplicate on our E-Series griddle here. You guys are gonna dig it. It's real simple to do. Let's get over here on the Blackstone station, as it were, kind of working out the name of this, where I'm gonna be doing this stuff. Anyway, let's get this thing started. All right guys, we're over here on the Blackstone station. Let's get this thing turned on. We're gonna set the temperature to, we're gonna set it to 325. All right, hit start. Now it's got to warm up. Simple, we just gotta wait for it. I know a lot of people have like ring molds like this for their Blackstone. Most of them I've seen are metal, and we're trying to avoid metal on the indoor griddle. So I got these little plastic ones, this like rubberized rings. And I will put a link down below for those from Amazon, all right? Just so you can find them. I got them at my local grocery store, just kind of a little impulse, last minute buy. We got these. The one tip I can tell you guys to do is crack your eggs into little ramekins. Makes it a lot easier to pour into the molds, and it'll save you time. You're not cracking it on the Blackstone. Hopefully some shells don't get in it, whatever, right? So that's what we're gonna do. I also have my plastic spatula, because we're again not using metal on the E-Series, okay? Once this is done preheating, we'll get making this thing. It'll go really, really quick, okay? All right, we're pretty much up to temp right now. I'm going to start toasting our buns. I got a little butter on them. Actually, I got a lot of butter on them, but you wanna have some toasty buns. So we get these heated up and toasted through, pull them off, and then we'll start building the sandwich. While those buns are toasting up, I'm gonna go ahead and start heating up the ham. It's gonna take no time at all, so it's gonna get through it, heat it up. This sandwich is really quick to put together, okay? So just be ready to move and groove, all right? Okay, the ham's gonna cook really quick. It's really thin sandwich ham. The breakfast jack that you get at Jack in the Box, they only give you one slice. But I'll tell you what, baby, I'm gonna give you two, all right? Because CJ loves you and doesn't want you to go home hungry, all right? So we're gonna do two. Take those off. You're basically just heating them through. You're not trying to like make them crispy or brown or anything like that. So let's take a look at our toasted buns. Getting toasty. Not bad. I'm gonna flip them back all over. I just like it a little bit more toasty. There ain't nothing wrong with some toasty buns. All right, so give those a couple more minutes and then we'll start working on the eggs. Okay guys, our buns are nice and toasty. We're gonna get these off to the side. Now it's time to start working on the eggs. I got my ring molds here. Theoretically, these are non-stick, but I went ahead and sprayed them down with a little canola oil. So we're gonna use those. I'm gonna put a little butter down. Not because you need the butter, but I like the flavor of butter on my eggs. Again, this is non-stick, so you don't really have to worry about it. But I like butter on my eggs. About a tablespoon of butter, no big deal. Get these on. Those fancy eggs in our ramekins, we're gonna pour those in. Okay. I'm telling you guys, if you could put them in the little ramekins, be a lot easier on you, okay? We'll let those come together. This yolk is broken, but that's okay. I was gonna break the yolks anyway. A little mixy mix in there, little whatever you wanna call it. We're gonna fry these pretty much done. You know, there's not gonna be runniness to it because that's what you're gonna get at Jack in the Box, okay? So we'll let those go. All right, put the ham back on just to heat it through. Like I said, it's really thin, so I wanted to heat it through again. Take our little ring molds here. Okay, get ready for the flip. All right, while these are finishing up, we're gonna put some American cheese on them, okay? I like American cheese. The Breakfast Jack has American cheese. Guarantee you it's out of the plastic wrap. So just, hey, all you keyboard commandos, just let it go. It's okay. Okay. Let's get these sandwiches built. I got my, got the buns and all that stuff done. Put the ham on the buns, putting the cheese and the egg on top of the ham. All right, there you go. Breakfast Jacks in the house. You know you want one. This is gonna be freaking tasty, I guarantee it. Blackstone off. Let's try these bad boys. All right, guys, I'm telling you, this right here, after a few hours of happy hour, you know what I'm saying? This is some good stuff. Cheers, y'all. Hell yeah. You know it's good. If I had the mic, I'd drop it right now. This is perfect. Exactly what you want. All right, y'all. If you want to get yourself one of these E-Series griddles, good luck. Stock your local Walmart. I still do not have an affiliate link for them. So, such is life. It is what it is. I'll put links down below for the ring molds, cutting boards, knives, all the other stuff I use on my videos. Links are all down below. CJ merch is down below. If you want to get yourself one of these hats, email me and we'll talk about it. I do not have a hat vendor yet, so I order them and then I ship them out myself. Okay? If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real here on YouTube, click that join button. Become part of CJ's crew on YouTube for real. Help out the channel. Become a producer. It's awesome. All right? That's it for this week, guys. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.